case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1968, the Supreme Court of Missouri heard the Carpenter v. Davis case, which centered on the admissibility of certain statements as evidence in court. The case involved a fatal car accident, where the plaintiff sought damages after the jury sided with the defendant. The plaintiff appealed the decision, arguing that an opinion about fault should have been allowed as evidence. During the trial, the defendant testified about his conversation with Opal Carpenter, the deceased, following the accident. However, the plaintiff's counsel objected to the inclusion of this conversation as evidence. The court ultimately ruled that opinions about fault from a non-party witness, like Carpenter, could not be considered as a declaration against interest. The court distinguishes between admissions against interest and declarations against interest. It explained that non-party witness opinions are unreliable and subject to misinterpretation. Therefore, the lower court's decision to allow the jury to consider the opinion about fault from Carpenter was overturned. The case highlights the importance of distinguishing between different types of statements in court and their admissibility as evidence. The court's ruling emphasizes the need for reliable and objective evidence in determining fault, rather than relying on opinions from individuals not directly involved in a case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.